Okay, we are going to be starting with part 1 of the pumpkin patch. Your paper passer, your folders are in front of you. You're going to open it up and you're going to give everybody a white piece of paper. You will return the folder to my box because these papers will be going to the drying rack. Everybody gets your white paper. You're going to turn it horizontal, side to side, horizontal, side to side. The supply manager, the first set of supplies is already sitting in front of you. It is going to be the black crayon. Everybody get a black one from the supply manager. We are going to start with our name. Remember, my name is Miss Lawson. You write your name. Check the board behind Miss Lawson to remind yourself of your teacher's code. Once you write your name and your teacher's code, the next step we always do is flip it over because we don't want to paint over our name. Now, we are going to be drawing and painting 2 pumpkins on this white paper today with some leaves. And then we're going to cut them out next week when they dry and glue them onto our paper. So we want to draw 2 different size pumpkins. And if you were looking at a pumpkin is a sphere shape. It is a round shape. Now, they're not perfect. They have bumps. They have lumps. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a skinny, tall one and a fat one. So you're going to start at the top. And the first thing we're going to do is draw the stem up, over, across, and back. What shape is that? That shape is a rectangle if you didn't know. That is the stem. Now this stem needs to be all the way at the top of your paper because this is going to be the tall, skinnier pumpkin. So once you have that at the top, if you see this bottom corner right here, I'm going to start there. I'm going to go down to the end of my paper, curve, up and around. Now again, pumpkins are not a perfect circle, so my little guy is not perfect. So that is what you're going to do for the tall pumpkin. And then we're going to make the ridges that are going down from the top of the stem to the bottom. So we're going to start at the top, right below the stem, and you're going to curve once to the right. Now notice, it is not in the middle. It's going towards the right. Then we're going to go the other way, then towards the other direction. Then we're going to do right in the middle. So you should have 3 lines separating, making a different sections. Now moving on to the fat pumpkin. Now we want to go more of an oval sideways. So our stem is not going to start up here. Our stem is going to be right in the middle. Again, it's more of a square because this one's a little fatter. We're going to start on the corner, and I don't want to go over that pumpkin. Around, down, and back up. Again, he's short and fat. So we're going to make our line. So we're going to go to the corner, curve to the left, go back to the top, other corner of your stem, curve to the right, then go down the middle, curve in the middle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different sections. That's with 1, 2, 3 lines. And now you can see I drew out of it. That's okay. Remember, we were going to cut this guy out. Now for the leaves. We want to make giant leaves. Pumpkin leaves are very big. So do you see I have some space right here? Because these are going to be cut out. In that open space, I'm going to draw a pumpkin leaf. Now, watch how I do this. And it's not touching my pumpkin. It's over here in this area because we'll glue it down to it. Wiggle, 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 back up. It kind of looks like a blob of paint. And then once I do that, and notice I connected, it should be one shape. Line, 1, 2 legs, 2 legs and arms. So we're going to do the same thing in this area. Again, not touching my pumpkin. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Make sure it's connected. Line, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you should have 2 pumpkins and 2 leaves drawn on your paper. Now, once we have done that, these supplies are done. So make sure that your supply manager gets your black crown. We are going to take the basket. I'm going to pick that up, and then we're going to move to the painting part.